Good morning, class. In this session, we will discuss about AM and PM. So, let us begin our class. How to tell time using AM and PM. Ila's alarm clock woke her at 7 this morning. How do we show that it is 7 in the morning and not 7 at night? So, there are 24 hours in one day, and those 24 hours are divided into two parts. Each part is 12 hours long. Students, note down this in your notebook. Let us discuss more about AM and PM. We can see here that a clock has only 12 numbers, 1 to 12. But in one day, there are 24 hours. It means the hour hand moves twice the clock in one day. It means 12 to 12 one time and again 12 to 12 second time. It means we can say that 6 o'clock is there in the morning also and 6 o'clock is there in the evening also. Similarly, 8 o'clock is there in the morning also and 8 o'clock is there at night also. It means same numbers, same timing is repeated twice in a day. To differentiate this timing, we are using AM and PM. First, let us discuss about midnight and noon. So, 12 o'clock at night is called midnight and 12 o'clock in the day is called noon. So, note down this in your notebook. Can you say, children, at what time a new day begins? Yes, at 12 o'clock night, that is called midnight, a new day begins. You can observe in your cell phone also that as it is 12 midnight, the day and date both are changed. Look at this chart. This chart shows that time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is represented by AM and the time between 12 noon to 12 midnight is represented by PM. It means the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called AM, that is ante-meridiem, and the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is called PM, post-meridiem. So note down this in your notebook. Also draw this chart in your notebook. Let us discuss few examples of AM and PM. This question I have given you in the beginning of the session. Now let us answer this question. Did Ila's alarm clock wake her at 7 a.m. or 7 p.m.? Yes, 7 a.m. Lucy's mother read her a bedtime story at 8:30. Was Lucy's bedtime story at 8:30 a.m. or 8:30 p.m.? Bedtime story generally we are listening at night time. So, it is 8:30 p.m. Now we will discuss about the exercise 9.2. Write the time in AM or PM. Number A. 2:15 in the afternoon. Afternoon means the time after 12 o'clock noon. Okay, so after 12 o'clock noon, the time will be represented in PM. So 2:15 in the afternoon will be 2:15 PM. 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 AM. 10 o'clock at night, 10 PM. 7 o'clock in the evening, 7 PM. 11 o'clock in the morning, 11 AM. 8:30 at night, 8:30 PM. 11:45 in the morning, 11:45 AM. 4:15 in the evening. Just think about this. Yes, 4:15 PM. So note down these all questions in your notebook. Next topic is conversion of time. So let us start. We know that one day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Except February. February has only 28 or 29 days. So note down this in your maths notebook. Also note down 1 year equal to 365 days, 1 leap year is equal to 366 days, and 1 decade is equal to 10 years. In the next session, we will discuss about conversion of 1 unit of time to another unit. Till then, take care and do your studies sincerely. Thank you.